Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to do the complete exercise question of the unit methods of separation in everyday life. This video is for class 6 and the subject is science. So we'll cover here entire questions of that exercise. Now, the next first type of question is choose the correct options among the given options. Now the first question is which of the following method is used to separate tea leaves from tea. Among the given option, that is filtration is a correct option. Now the next question is, what is main purpose of hand picking as a separation technique? The main purpose of separation techniques is separating large visible impurities from the given grains. Now the next question is, which methods of separation involves using a magnet? And that is a magnetic separation. Among the given option, that is the magnetic separation is a correct answer. So B is a correct option. The next question is, what happens during the sedimentation? In sedimentation, generally heavy and solid particles settle down at the bottom. So C is a correct option. The next question is, which separation technique is more suitable for extracting salt from seawater? That is the C. That is the sea evaporation is a most suitable example. So C is a correct option. Now the next is fill in the blanks. So winnowing is a method used to separate heavy particles from the lighter ones using wind. Now the next is in filtration, the mixers is passed through a porous barriers to separate solid from liquid. Next is during sedimentation, the settle at the bottom while the clear liquid remains at top. The next is in traditional dairy production, the churning is used to separate butter from buttermilk. Now the next is magnetic separations is a method used to separate components based on magnetic properties. So the next type of question is true and false type of questions are here. So four statements are here whether we have to say true or false. The first statement is winnowing is used to separate sand from water. No, this is false. Now the next is hand picking is suitable when the mixers contains small quantities and easy distinguishable impurity. Yes, this is true. Now the next is filtration involves heating the mixers to separate component. No, this is false. Now the next is sedimentation takes advantage of gravity to separate heavy solid particles from a solid. Yes, this is true. The next question is define the following terms. Here terms are given here and on the basis of term we have to give the proper definition. First is sedimentation. When heavy things in a liquid settle down at the bottom, that is sedimentation. Next is filtration. Removing solid particle from a liquid using a filter, that is filtration. Next is decantations, means pouring out the clear water after the sedimentation, leaving the solid behind. The next is hand picking, picking out the unwanted things by hand from a mixer, that is hand picking. Next is evaporation, changing water into vapor by heating to leave the solid behind. The next type of question is match the column. Here two columns are here, that is column A and column B. In the column A given and in column B the correct answers are here. So first is hand picking is visible impurities, means C is the correct option. Now the next is magnetic separations, that is it, D is the correct option using a magnet. Now the next is evaporations, the A is the correct option, extracting salt from the seawater. Next is churning, the options B is the correct option, butter from a curd. The next is winnowing, the correct answer is E, separating hunks from the grain. Now the next type of question is give the reason for the statements. Here statements are given here. On the basis of statement we have to give the proper reason. The first statement is the sedimentation is used to separate sand from water. The reason is it is because sand is heavy and settle at the bottom. Next is filtration is suitable for separating finer solid particle from a liquid. The answer is it is because the filter papers stops small solid but lets the liquid pass. The next statement is magnetic separations works well when one component of mixers is magnetic. The reason is it is because a magnetic pulls out the magnetic part easily. Now the next is hand picking is a efficient method for small mixers with distinguishable particles. The answer is it is because we can see and pick the unwanted parts by hand. The next is evaporation is used to separate salt from seawater. The option is answer is it is because water turns into vapors and leave it behind. The next type of question is answer in brief. Means we have to give the answer in brief. The first question is what is the purpose of sedimentation and decayation? The first is they helps to remove heavy solid from the liquid. Next is the solid settle at the bottom, that is in sedimentation, and the clean water is poured off, that is decayation. Now the next question is how does hand picking helps in separating process? The answer is we can remove big and visible unwanted things by hand like stones from rice. Now the next question is why is evaporation commonly used in salt production? The answer is it is because when water rises up, dries up, sand is left behind. This helps us to collect the salt from the salty water. The next question is describe how filtration works to separate solid from the liquid. The answer is the mixer is passed through filter papers and solid stay on the paper and liquid passes through it. So this is the complete answer of this question. Now the next is what role does churning play in dairy production? The answer is churning is used to separate butter from the curd or milk, buttermilk. Now the next is question answer in detail. Means questions are here. We have to give the discuss in detail. The first question is explain the importance of separation technique in daily life and their applications. The answer is separation techniques helps us remove unwanted or harmful substances. For example, we remove stones from the food grains or we clean dry water using filtration. Now the next is describe the difference between sedimentation, decayation and filtration. First is sedimentation. Heavy solids settle at the bottom. Decaytions. The clear liquid is poured out after sedimentations. Next is filtration. Mixers is passed through filter paper and remove the solid particles. Next is how does magnetic separation works? Provide example of its uses. See the question is according answer is the magnetic is used to pull out the magnetic material from a mixers and the example are separating iron nail from the sands. The next question is discuss the various methods used to separate mixtures of solid from each others. The methods are different methods. The first is hand picking, removing big impurities by hand. Next is winnowing, using wind to separate lighter husk from grains. Next is sieving, using a siever to separate particles of different sizes. Next is magnetic separation, using a magnet to remove the magnetic materials. Now the next question is compare and contrast evaporations and filtration as separation technique. The answer is evaporation removes water and leaves solid behind like salt and filtration removes solid from a liquid using filter paper. Next is difference. Evaporation uses sheet where filtration uses filter. With this, if you have any confusion, you can ask in the question in the comment box. With this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.